All right. New John waterproof jacket. Looks the part. We're gonna go find out. 1 minute starts now. Well, it's definitely beating. Whoops. All right. And as you see, it is beating off the jacket. Moment of truth. After 1 minute. Dude, you're dry. All right.
That's from him spraying me in my face. That's not.
All right, so as you can see, it literally doesn't get wet. Just pretty much beat it off. It's a little damp, but that's pretty impressive. So, hey, I'd say that's a legit jacket.
It's legit, super light, does the job as you guys saw.
Cool, we got them in stock.